Hello everybody, and today I want to share one question that that people always ask. So the question is, how can I speak English fluently, easily? So now I have 12 tips for speaking English fluently. And number one, start speaking English as much as possible. And number two, get a personal tutor. And number three, interact with English very every single day. And number four, use resources made for your level. Five, work on your pronunciation. Number six, learn phrases, not words. Number seven, accept that you will feel uncomfortable speaking English. Number eight, consider a big lifestyle change. So we go to detail. Yeah, you see 12 tips for speaking English fluently. One, start speaking English as much as possible. You see the picture so about that so about two people speak to each other as much as possible. So this is the explanation. The one thing you absolutely have to do to speak English fluently, get more speaking practice. Almost all advice on achieve your fluent goals will eventually come down to this. Nothing else you can do is as effective or as important. If you're living in a country whence, where spoken English is not common, finding opportunity to practice can be difficult. Try some of these tips. Number one is buddy up with an English speaker who is learning your native English, or if you don't know anyone, why not download a language channel? And one more point, schedule one-on-one online classes with a tutor on reply to get expert advice on your English speaking skills. One point, use language learning apps with speech rec- recognition software. Mondly has a great feature where you can ask basics question to an English speaking robot and get a response. Where you have reached an immediate level, attend webinars or online English classes. Find another English learner to practice with. Narrate your own life. Speak out, speak out loud to yourself in English, describing what you're doing for a fuller explanation of how to do this. Check out YouTube English teachings star Bob, the Canadian advice here. If you can find some creative ways to fit regular English speaking opportunity into your life, things will start to click faster than you think. And number two, get a personal tutor. If you are serious about achieving fluency, invest invest in a personal language tutor. Talking to an expert English tutor, even just one per week, can dramatically boost your progress. You'll be able to ask questions about English regularly, discuss new words relevant to your own life, and will receive constructive feedback on your English conversation skills in real time. It's a highly effective path to fluency. With reply one-on-one English language have never been more convenient or affordable. You can talk to a native English speaker from anywhere. They are tutored in the different time zones all across the world, so there will be an expert available at any time of the day or night. The unique search filter also also allow allow you to choose what you are afford to pay. Price start from as low as $10 per hour. Finally, it's much easier to stick to a regular learning routine when you feel accountable accountable to and comfortable with one person in particular. Study with an English teacher, and you won't just have a guide, you also have a cheerleader to motivate you to improve. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have more lessons about number 3 and number 4, number 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10, 11 and 12. So this is summary. Conversation practice is the keys to fluency. Yeah. You can search more. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and good luck for you.